me, nigga. Now tell me what's the man it's like. Got these niggas be tripping on you every day and night. It's time to take flight, let these niggas have it quick. Mash on them, put them bitch ass niggas down up in they ditch. Me, I'ma survive to get mine. Got these niggas tripping, I'ma send them through that walking line. Having them niggas get hit them when they holler on tips. Spit up out of the barrel, your life ain't get never, nigga. I'm flying soaring in the air like an eagle. You fuck with me, I hit you bitch ass niggas with my Desert Eagle. Long range rifle. Nigga, I hit you. Nigga, you fall down. Nigga, give a fuck about you. I'm in this bitch, I'm clowning, trying to get my throat. Give it a fuck about the bitch made motherfucking Negroes. Anybody in this motherfucking streets that wanna hate is just because they see me bounce, rock, roller skate, and getting paid. This is my life, I'm living it to the fullest. If you niggas be tripping, then my heater trigger, pull it, nigga. Any nigga's life, all of the mishaps, talking the mad shit, fuck around and get laid flat. I'm on them pick, I'm on my mission, I'm getting riches, I'm surviving these damn trenches. These niggas wanna catch me slipping, trying to get me for my riches, trying to set me up with these bitches. This ain't gon' happen, I never trust no hoes. Tell these bitches this is the way a nigga been going on and on since 2011. Things gon' change, give it a fuck about bitch. Had a hoe, give me brains while I shake it. To another bitch, got to have more than one hoe with 2001. Nigga, I just begun on my motherfucking mission, bitch. I'm about to have fun. Never love a bitch, treat hoes like they supposed to be treated. Fuck these bitches, cause hoes give me reason to never ever fall in love. Smack them hoes just because I wanna fuck. Dip out on bitches, that's a must. I tell the bitches like this, I just wanna fuck. I don't really want no damn relationship. Had me crossed up in this motherfucking stupid shit. All that bullshit me trying to figure out where the hell you at it every time you leave up out the house. Got me thinking you cheating on me like every day. I be like fuck that shit, I'd rather be free in the streets to fuck with any hoe. Give a fuck about the bitches, that's the way I got to go. 1994 when I'm feeling love and all of a sudden this bitch had a raise up, got my mind struck. Now I'm like fuck a punk hoe. Tell these bitches this is the way I will always go. And if you bitches don't like the way I kick it, I give them mad that fuck. Cause bitches make me get written. Get up out of my face, get up out of my space. See these bitches, this is me, like every day. I'ma live my life. I know it ain't right in your eye, but I don't give a fuck, bitch. Why you standing there, you wanna collide? Talking the shit, you die when you and your family. Why you wanna fuck with me? Let me get mine, nigga, because I'm a pedigree. It's gangster fucking with me. Best believe I bank you. Slugs coming up out of the barrel, hitting your mud. Fucking your whole damn life up now. Do you want that? No, bitch, get back. Talking all that madness, you get slapped real fast. With the backhand of my hand, bitch. Now, with this, better comprehend, bitch. Ain't nobody with no bullshit games. I'm trying to get my money in this bitch and hang. I'm on the block, I gotta do my thing. I give a fuck about a bitch, hoe, give me brains. Then I'ma shake the spot, cause I don't give a fuck about a bitch, and that's the main plot. Main guy,